The infrastructure of the 21st century is not built of concrete. It is built of code. And right now, that infrastructure is vulnerable. While others discuss the talent gap, Raíces Cyber is filling it. We are not just an education program. We are a high-performance training pipeline. We take high-potential youth and put them through a comprehensive system, mastering network defense, critical infrastructure, and the practical application of artificial intelligence. We don't just teach them to use the tools. We train them to protect the network. This is your opportunity to invest in verified talent. Through strategic sponsorships and tax incentives, you aren't just funding a student, you are securing the future. Raíces Cyber. Invest in the architect.